Welcome everybody, I'm Davide and I would like to explain to you how you have a fine grinding on your automatic coffee machine. First of all, sorry for my bad English, but I'm an Italian guy that lives in France. You can start, you need to empty the coffee tank, okay. Remove all the coffee beans. As you can see, I've removed all the coffee bean. To this, I have also removed this plastic part. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. And now you take a T10 torque screwdriver to remove these 1, 2, and 3 screws. Okay, now you just pull this plastic part out and make your attention to this little plastic part. As you can see, you can lift up and move. Now, I would like to explain to you. Here, you can see is the grinder size. If you move to this direction, you can lower the size. If you turn in the other direction, the size is bigger. Now, if you already have this little tab all to the right side, you can just lift it up and move some degree on the left side, as I can do. And when you try to grind again, you just use your tool. I don't know the name, is just this hexagonal stuff. You can push and you can turn more to have fine grinding. Okay, and that's all. Just this. You can try to find the optimal settings, but it's very easy. I've just put this in my for me. I just turn this more a lot of on the left side to have more room to have fine grinding, because I don't know, maybe in the future I have a different kind of coffee and it need to be more fine. But you can adjust as you want. Okay, I say have a good coffee and like this comment, subscribe to my channel. If I have a lot of English subscriber, I will try to make more English, more video in English. Okay, ciao ciao belli.